Along with integrated pest management, Washington apple growers are also using new technology to improve their apples.
Everything is different now. It was much easier years ago now. There's so much technology into it that it's going to take the young ones to keep up with it all. The technology is growing fast and it's going to continue to grow.
Starting with the orchards, growers are using new practices to improve efficiency. Many are installing high-density, single-spindle tree planting patterns. They use trellis systems for additional support.
This particular orchard's a single spindle, about 1,450 trees an acre. It's high density. Fruit from those trees might be a size and a half larger than maybe a standard freestanding, semi-dwarf or a seedling type rootstock. The fruit, is more conducive to better labor savings. It's safer, it's convenient to pick. Labor's been an issue, getting enough guys. So, we're trying to plant these modernized orchards because there's a lot of benefits. But the volume per acre is more consistent, and it's probably a little higher on the volume per acre than our freestanding trees. More trees per acre, just a better entire orchard experience for efficiency, fruit quality, labor savings, everything.
You see all kinds of different ideas. And everybody's going to have to try and see what's best for their particular location and variety.
Growers are also moving into better safety technology for their harvest workers. Platforms are starting to replace ladders on some orchards, which give the harvest crews better footing and balance while picking the fruit. As the fruit grows, Washington growers also use weather data to improve production and product quality, optimize resource use, and reduce environmental impact.
And what it does is it collects large amounts of data on temperature and solar radiation, soil temperature, rainfall, humidity. And what growers can do and their advisors is plug that information into prediction models to determine when pests, diseases, and other things are going to become a problem and help them time the treatments that they need to make.
Technology has also changed the way apples are packed in warehouses throughout Washington.
We want the consumer to have a good eating experience every time they pick up an apple. So we use all this technology to make sure that they do.
By using powerful optical sorting platforms, our growers are ensuring consistently high quality in every box of apples.
The visual sorter helps sort the apples based on color and defects. It takes 270 pictures per apple, looking at defects, color, and shape, deciding what different defects are. After it goes through an internal sorter. The internal sorter evaluates the internal quality of the apples. After the internal sorter, they're weighed. All that information is put into the computers to decide which drop that apple will go based on color, defects, shapes, weight. As it's going onto the cups to go to the drop, that information is sent to the sticker machine. The sticker machine puts the correct sticker on the apple, a large or small apple, and then it's taken down the line to the correct drop where it's dropped into the right grade and size to be put in the box. Those boxes go through the process where they are sealed and stamped correctly, and that continues to the robot machine, which separates those boxes out and palletizes them before they're put into storage.
Traceability and accountability are important to Washington growers.
When they're stamped with the correct variety, grade, pack type, tray pack, or bag. We put a barcode on each box. It's a serial. It has all the information from the grower to the pick date, variety, size, so that when it's delivered to the customer, if there's an issue, we can trace everything back to the box.
The best technology, mixed with responsible growing practices and care for our workers, allow us to deliver high-quality and ethically grown apples to the world.